Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we're out by Toll Gate now. So this is the office. This is the first toll plaza. But you have to use this tunnel now to get to the other toll plaza on the other side of the road. So we're gonna walk through here and give you a tour of what it is to walk on the highway. So this is a tunnel the staff would use to get to the other toll plaza. You can see it's secure because you'll be carrying money from the toll plaza back to the office. It's quite a little walk. So that's the toll plaza over there. Oh, this is definitely a walk. I'm sure they'll have things to push the money on. But this side isn't complete. So they haven't started collecting toll at the toll plaza yet. So that's why this thing isn't finished. It's not operational yet. So we're coming up to an underpass now, and so that's the toll plaza there. That's the office, and that's the other toll plaza over there. So they haven't started collecting tolls. This toll plaza is open, but it's just not. They're not collecting tolls, so it's not operational. So right here now we're going to go under the road. They built an underpass. This is the underpass to get to the other side. They're working there, so we're not going to bother to go through there. So that's the toll plaza there. So that's the underpass that takes you under the road, and that's the road there. So that the staff can get to the other toll plaza without having to cross the road. They built the underpass. Let's look at it again. It's the toll plaza there, and this is the underpass. So this is the underpass, and that's the highway on the other side. So this same structure goes all the way to that toll plaza. But this is quite a little walk, I must say. The people who work at that side will have a walk. No, this is a very far walk. Seriously. Maybe they'll have golf carts that you can drive on. But this is, especially if they have bags of money to carry back with them. I'm sorry, but they should have put more of these steel bars here. They have plastic. We all know what's going to happen here at night. Well, I shouldn't say that. I'm sure they'll have security. And I've noticed police, they have police out at this toll plaza, even while it's being constructed. But I'm going to take a look at the plastic to see how secure it is. But this is definitely a far walk. So that's the toll, that's the office. Or maybe they'll use Brinks to collect the money from that toll plaza, and then it's just the staff that walk back to this plaza. Yeah, that's probably what's going to happen, something like that. I must say, I can't imagine people be walking this distance with money. Right, so this is the plastic. It's very frail. There's no way people. Well, I don't think the staff is going to be transporting money through here. This is, if you hit it too hard, it breaks. Now the other toll plazas, they have like an underground network. I'm very curious now to find out how they move the money. I'm gonna check it out to see how they do it, and we can make a video about it. But this plastic definitely, it's to stop the rain. It's definitely not for security. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments. Let us know what you think of this setup. Alright guys, have a good day.